welcome to day 3 of the daily vlogs, isn't it? Yeah, day 3 of these bulking daily vlogs, coming up to having my baby, people. What a buzz, what a absolute buzz. But I'm highly motivated at the moment, people, highly motivated. What were we at this morning? We were 83 kilo this morning. Yesterday was actually 83.6, but it's probably because I hadn't went to the toilet in the morning. But we are up in weight anyways, we are feeling really good. We'll give another little physique update later on. Today is actually rest day, but first things first, I need to get this haircut. 1 sec, I'll show you what's going on here, people. Oh yeah, get rid of that. I'm actually going to go really short. Usually I stay with the long hair on top, people, but I'm going to have a little switch up today, you know, early 2025, we change up shit, see what's going on. Then after this, we have an hour of cardio to do, and I'm going to go to the sauna as well. So, tag along, people. We're going to have a good day. It's a rest day. Let's take care of ourselves, stay active, get shit done. There's the Garda. Cannot get seen with the camera in my hand. They didn't see me. Oh yeah, I don't want to kill myself here either, people. But yes, good day ahead, people, and some good food to be had as well. Take care of the blood sugars, keep consistent on this bulk, and let's just keep it moving. The weather is getting so much better out as well, people. Look, blue skies, people. My favorite thing in the world is blue skies. Oh yes, people, we are baldy. I needed like a short haircut, people, for once. Jesus Christ, I feel different as hell. What the hell? That's a mad buzz, people. But yes, I just need a little switch up, people. I've had long hair for ages, so I just said I'd go mad short for once. I never do this, but sure, look, it'll be nice in a moment, people. But yes, I'm actually very late. It's 12 o'clock already, people. Haven't even did cardio or got to the sauna, and we're going to do this now. I was waiting ages on a haircut, but it is all good. Oh yeah, I'm still fasted as well, but I'm off work today, so loads of time for calories. I need to go shopping after this as well, and we will get this all done. But yeah, fresh, cool. Let's get cardio and sauna done. Oh yes, people, my skin is in a heap after that. But yes, that was absolutely beautiful. Hair is still short as hell, but yeah, nice sauna and cardio put in this morning, people. Today is rest day, of course, but I like to stay active and do something good for the body, good for the mind. Just stay in a good position, good place. 2025, I want to have a good mentality. I always try to have a good mentality, but this year I want to improve on that and get even better. So why not, people? So keep doing this on rest days, stay active as possible. Good little spot in there, people, good little spot. Now I need to go and get some calories, people. I have not had a bit of food today and I'm really hungry, so let's go get this done. Oh yes, people, big bag of calories, people. I am definitely going out and doing more steps today with the dog while this weather is so good. Thank you, Lord. I'm going home to eat a big huge meal. Let's get this bulk started. I'm probably shouting out me too much today, people, but let's go. Hello, what's up with you? What's up? Hello. Right, people, just about to have first meal. I need to start eating in the morning again, because when I'm going training, my blood sugars are just raising. I'm going to sleep with good blood sugars, I'm waking up and they're bad after training, which isn't good. So I need to start eating first thing in the morning again, which I will do in the morning, of course. But for the moment, that is the plan, because my sugars are 14.7. That ain't good. We don't want to be keeping them there either. So yes, let's get into first meal.
This is the biggest night for our team. Two guys fight for the title.
Right, back fresh, people. Haircut, shave, cleaned up, everything. Just relax now, edit some videos. The doggy is absolutely wrecking my head right now. But yes, edit some videos, and then I am back out stepping again, because I'm not missing that weather today, people. No way in hell. And I'm so late on meals today. I have so much to get in, but we will get it done. I need to get this skin sorted out as well. It's not good, people. Right people, out stepping with the doggy right now. Change of plan people. I got the call to go into work today, so I'm not a bum. I won't be sitting around, so we are going to go to work in a while. So I will be skipping a meal today, which is shit, but look, has to be done people. Have to make income somehow, don't they? So yeah people, get some steps in with the doggy, get another meal in, and then go to work for the evening. But I'm glad today we got a nice little self-care day in today people. Helps with the old mental state when you're fresh and cleaned up and get out and about and do something positive. So not sitting around watching fucking Instagram all day or something like that and just being depressed out of head. So it's a good day people.
That's the noise. Since I got
Right people, on the way to work, feeling fresh. The only problem I have is that today is one of them days where no matter what I do, my blood sugars won't go down. But I have a feeling it's to do with the prolonged fast in the morning people that is raising my blood sugar. Because like I always say, and like I keep saying in this video, when I eat in the morning people, it just changes. Or even take insulin in the morning, I just haven't been doing that. So it's like it's starting my day off wrong. So it's something I need to fix, and I will get to that as quick as possible. Now other thing is people, I'm on the way to work, and for anyone that's wondering, I am a delivery driver. So this is where I'm off to. As I said, I want to keep it real in all these videos people, but that's what I do for my job. So I only work evenings, which helps my like whole morning routine just being like actually good, because I've nothing better to be doing in the morning. So it is a good routine. The only thing is that the days are long when you start early in the morning, so by the time you actually go to work you're actually tired. But look, who cares people, I will check in as much as possible. We can get a chance to check in during work, but I'll be back this evening for some filth. Right people, we are home. We are home. I still can't get over this haircut people. I look like a completely different human being. It is weird as hell, but yes people, today obviously didn't go to plan because I was in work, but do you know what, it's a real day in the life people. I have to work, so it's not actually not a bad thing to show when I go to work, come home and then dig into my last meal, which is this pasta dish I eat out of Aldi. There is 40 grams of protein in this, so you cannot go wrong with that before bed, and a few extra carbs. Now also, my blood sugar was down. It was 11.1, which obviously still isn't ideal, but it was down, so I'm going to take an extra unit and a half of insulin now with this. See how we are in the morning, but I'm going to bring one of these for the morning as well. Get some food into me. I need to start eating in the morning. But yes, what a day people. Like I said, a real day in the life people. This is what I get up to. Working, training, taking care of my diabetes. This is real life, isn't it? And it's one thing people that is missing right now, isn't it? It's real. Nothing's real anymore. That's why I stay away from social media as well people. Like, everyone's always trying to sell something. You can't even enjoy something anymore because they're always trying to just get a sale out of you. Everything's fake. And again, I've no problem with people taking steroids, but I hate when people are just trying to sell you stuff and they're taking steroids, but they're not like out about their use. They're just saying, oh, I built this physique with this workout plan. No, you didn't. You just did not. Because I watch so many people who are like, I love people who take steroids. I love it. I love the content. I watch it all the time. But the ones who like lie about it and are not out about it, the worst. There's so many lies out there right now, and I don't mind if people do things like, for example, I got my teeth done like 2 years ago, but if someone asks me, oh, did you get your teeth done? It's like, yeah, obviously 100%. Why would you lie? Like, do you ever see, like, you see this jacked motherfucker and you're like, oh, how'd you do? And he's like, yeah, I was just eating pasta dishes. And it's like, bro, like, you're ready to hop on stage tomorrow. I don't believe you. I think that's what we need to bring back this year, people. Is real shit. No one faking and lying about everything. That's what I love about YouTube, people. It's like, you just get the real side of things from me. Like, it's just me eating my last meal at night time. I don't have to pretend I'm doing anything. And as you can see from my content, I'm constantly up to something, training wise. My diabetes, if it's fucked, I'm taking care of it. You just constantly see me eating meals. I don't stop. So when you do see some muscle gain from me, it's going to be real as hell. So maybe that's what we need to bring in 2025, people, is real shit. Because I like real things, people. I love watching a journey of people. Like, I watch the Trend Twins at the moment, and I love it. They're never like faking it. It's always like, yeah, I'm blasting gear. Happy days, man. I love it. I don't care about blasting gear, but tell me if you're blasting gear. You know what I mean? It's crazy out there, people, at the moment, and it's in every like type of industry. Like, I'm not saying I'm part of the fitness industry or anything, but it is in every industry. There's just fake everything like these days, and it's all for a quick check. This is just what I love to do, so I don't really need to be selling you anything. I don't want to sell you anything. I just enjoy doing this. I dreamt of this years ago, and right now with these daily vlogs, like, even if no one watches, people, I'm just like, still I have to do this. It's just something that's like my calling in life. It's pretty weird, but yeah, maybe I'm ranting too much, but yeah, keep it real in 2025, please, people, because like, you could tell people you're going gym for like the last 3 years these days, and people are like, no, but you don't look like the person off Instagram. Well, that's because like, they're not telling you like what they're doing. It's crazy one. This pasta meal is so good. So good. I have to hunt for this in Aldi every day, people, because there's actually like, it's these Total Fitness ones, but there's two different ones. There's a meatball one and there's this bolognese one, but this one has 40 grams of protein in it. The meatball one has the same amount of calories, but only 20 grams of protein in it. So obviously I'm bulking at the moment. I'm trying to gain some muscle mass and some weight, so I'm trying to go for the higher calorie, higher protein option. I have to say one thing, I've been enjoying the food lately as well. I think it's from the cardio though. Because like, sometimes I find like when you're just training and then trying to eat all that food, it gets very, very difficult. But I find the cardio just ups your like hunger. I'm actually down a meal today actually as well. I forgot about that because I got called into work and I was just late doing everything today. But it was a good day. Like, self-care day, take care of the health, mental health. Even though my blood sugars were kind of shit, but look, there's going to be days when that happens. I also got a Coke Zero on work. Sometimes a Coke Zero is just what you need. I actually had a 1.5 litre of water on work as well. So when I'm out walking, I always try and, because I don't be eating, because I like to eat when I'm at home, I do always try and get like 1.5, maybe even 2 litres of water with me in work. Just like keep up the water intake while I'm not eating. And being a caffeine addict as well, people, sometimes stops the water intake, because like, I don't know if anyone else is weird like me, but I've like my timed caffeine intake, so when you're doing that, you're not drinking water, you're just like dehydrating yourself, sort of, aren't you? But yeah, maybe this rant has gone on too long, people. It was a good day. I'm going to finish the rest of this. Peace and love to the people. Keep it real in 2025. I don't want to hear no more lies out, people. I might start atting people. Maybe that's the way to go forward, is just start atting people and telling them, you are a fake motherfucker. You rip people off and lie to people. But people, this is just me eating my food, taking care of my diabetes, training, trying to stay as fit as possible. My little life. I fucking love it. I think I do anyways because it feels damn good when I do it. And when I have this little camera here, people, it's like gives me the opportunity to kind of get some shit off my chest and just, I don't know, vent maybe, isn't it? No, I have to finish this rant. I love it, people. See you tomorrow. Peace and love.